Spoken English is not a difficult task. But yes, when you begin, that time it is really difficult. Slowly, when you practice, when you start speaking, when your confidence is up, that time you realize it is not difficult. So, my dear friend, I have come up with a new video today. In this video, you will speak with me and we will do the practice together. Once you start speaking with me, slowly, your confidence will build and you will start becoming fluent in English. I'm sure if you follow this video, you will be able to speak English fluently. You can just simply talk and practice with me now. So if you like this video, please subscribe and share with your friends who is learning English. It will help them also. And yes, if you have any suggestion, if you want me to make any other video, please comment so that other people can also see your comment and they can learn from you. So let's begin. For your understanding, in this video, I have mentioned the writings both in Hindi and English. But you have to follow only the English part and you have to repeat after me. You get 3 seconds time. Let's begin. My name is Rupam. Where do you live? Get off me. On your way. How are you? Tell me like it is. It crossed my mind. I like potatoes. An idea struck me. Let's play. I recalled. I'm fed up. I got angry. Food is over. Let him in. What for? What else? Nothing else. Bring a little more. Do it once again. Read more. Read book. Nowhere. Come home. Come to work. Come by bus. Come on foot. It's paining. Come on time. Go ahead of him. After 3 days. Slow down. Bend forward. What happened next? Don't be silly. Don't talk nonsense. All right. Very beautiful. How it happened? That's it. I don't know. Say in my ear. Don't shout. Stay a little while. Don't cry. Something or the other. Excuse her. Come what may. I will sleep. How's she doing? I have talent. I regret. Give me water. She fell ill. What's the rush? I am done. So friends, here we come to the end of this video. Share this video with your friends also so that you both can talk together. And yes, please let me know what you want to learn more. I wish you all the best. Thank you so much.